The robot revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And it's transforming how we work, live, and even relax. Thanks to AI and robotics, humanoids can now take commands, make decisions, and do complex manual tasks. Sci-fi just became reality. Tesla's Optimus can already carry 45 pounds and climb stairs. Elon Musk plans to ship 1 million units a year by 2030. By 2035, over 1.3 billion robots could be deployed globally, from factories to construction sites and even nursing homes. Robots are already everywhere. DHL's bots unload trucks faster than humans. BMW, Spanx, and even small factories are going all in. Amazon leads the charge with over 1 million robots and plans to replace up to 600,000 human jobs as automation ramps up. Soon, robots will enter your home. The Neo robot from 1X is taking pre-orders now. Ready to clean, chat, and keep you company. Will robots kill jobs? Maybe. But new roles, like robot wranglers, are emerging. And bots are handling the jobs no one wants. They're still learning. Folding clothes isn't easy. But developers say breakthroughs in dexterity are just around the corner. We're entering a future where physical labor could be optional. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.